Hello traders, I'm back here with my best analysis and the best trade of the day. I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend, and today is the first trading day of the month and the week, 1st of March, Monday 2021. We had interesting volatility. We were short on pound dollar and the euro USD. All right, let's dig into the system and let me share with you the analysis we did on Friday and how we bank those pips today, and moving forward analysis too. So let's dig into the system. All right, so just to recap guys, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the high time frame 4-hour analysis, and I analyze market twice a day, just before London Open and in the New York session, and all of my live analysis instantly available, recording available for all the members here, and also those analysis broadcast in the analysis section. And when the opportunity is raised based on those analyses, we broadcast that information instantly through live audio commentary, and also provide updates in the analysis section. And based on the today's analysis, you can see one of my best trader made 132 pips, which is, I'm going to show you the breakdown of this trades. All right, so let's dig into the three major pairs and let's see how we analyze today and bank beautiful pips. Euro USD. Okay, so let's move into the 4-hour. As you can see, on Friday we had a nice big move, and afterwards, as I mentioned you, that we are looking another, you can see this is the previous low is broken, and based on that we were expecting a pullback. You can see the price nicely came back and hit this level and then came back. Such a beautiful short trade. So we were short whole day and banked beautiful pips on Euro USD. And let me share with you all the analysis. You can see here all the analysis and the results. You can see here Euro USD this morning. You can see we did analysis at the New York at the market open. Let me make it slightly bigger so you will see it. Okay, so this was the analysis we did at the market open. You can see here as soon as the market open, let me make it smaller and change the color. Okay, so you can see here that's the last night, just before as soon as the market opened, we did this analysis to look for pullback. As you can see, the price came back here in 4-hour and we had a beautiful pullback short trade based on the morning analysis. But we keep update our analysis as soon as the market develop, because the traders keep asking. So you can see we had another analysis around this morning just before London Open. Another triangle pattern develop, and you can see here afterwards beautiful breakout. This morning we had amazing nice short trade on Euro USD. Then we also did another analysis at the New York session, I believe. Yeah, you can see here after this one price develop, and that's what we explained to trader, that the price develop another bearish flag pattern, and we look another beautiful breakout short trade at the New York session. So you can see here we were short on Euro USD this morning. You can see here we've taken full advantage of all these pullbacks. You can see here beautiful. So what is the moving forward now for tomorrow? What I'm looking here, let me make it slightly bigger. So tomorrow I'm looking here, you can see the price nicely respected daily support, and if you look at here we have another support level, and price look like you can see here in decision mode, consolidation candle inside candle pattern, and you can see if the price gonna break this level, then we're going to be taking a pullback long as a counter trade, and if the price going to break this support, then probably going to be taking a pullback short. So we'll see tomorrow. And if you look at that's what exactly we use in intraday system. In intraday system, what we're looking here, if you look at here, price develop another sort of like a triangle pattern. So we're looking here, the more safer trade for us to look if the price going to break the previous high and the previous low, and we're looking this breakout. So tomorrow we'll let you know how we traded this pair, because we're using our intraday system, which basically help us to refine our entries and exit. All right, so let's move into the pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar and 4-hour chart, as you can see, price to develop another we have this nice move. So right now the price is in correction phase, so we're expecting it. If you look at here, let's look like the price developing it, another possibility of bearish flag pattern. So we'll let you know tomorrow. But today what we have done, we've taken a beautiful short trades on pound dollar. We banked beautiful pips, and that's what I explained to my traders, that every time when the price gonna hit this level, take a short trade. And that's why we're taking a beautiful short trade. Hold it, and let me share with you the today's all the analysis for cable. We did analysis at the, let me make it zoom in, so you can see here at the this morning London Open, just before London Open 7:39, price developed this pattern. You can see here beautiful breakout, and after the breakout we announced all these pullback, beautiful short trade afterwards. And once we banked this profit, price came back here, and then from here to here, when the price reverse, we explained to look for pullback. If not, if the price gonna break and retest, which price did, you can see here price breaking and retest, we take another counter long trade, bank few pips, and afterwards we did another analysis instantly as soon as the price developed another pattern, because I said to you we were looking a short trade here. So afterwards you can see here price develop another bearish flag pattern, and we took another short trade and banked beautiful pips, this one. And then afterwards we did another analysis. You can see here beautiful breakout short trade. So technically we're taking all short opportunities. You can see here beautiful. And then later on we also had a counter, a long trade. You can see another triangle pattern, and we have another few more pips. And afterwards we did another analysis, another bearish flag pattern. You can see here such a beautiful breakout short trade on pound dollar. So we had a nice trades. Mainly we were bearish, so we find the opportunities while a technical entry as an intraday. So right now what I'm saying here, if you look at here, the prices keep respecting this level. So you can see here respected here, almost respected here, respected here. So we're looking at breakout opportunity of pound dollar. If the price gonna break tomorrow this level, am I gonna see long trade here? The target would be this one, then probably gonna be short trade here. Or if you look at here, that's the level we're looking here. Otherwise, if the price gonna break this support, then probably gonna be short. So technically we are bearish on pound dollar. That's what we're looking at. But as being an intraday trader, if we see the price respect this major support area, and if you find any valid technical entry, we also basically don't hesitate to take those profit. As you can see, one of the counter trade I'm going to show you here, this was the counter trade. You can see here beautiful counter trade, bank view few pips. So tomorrow we're looking this consolidation correction, and if the price gonna break this previous low, then beautiful pullback short trades, we're gonna be taking it. All right, so let's move on to the dollar CAD. This whole day we were bearish. As you can see in 4 hour, the price basically respected this daily support, and afterwards you can see we were bearish, and we take most of the day we were bearish and bank beautiful pips. And you can see here, so right now if you look at here, the price, this is the previous high is broken. After the breakout, expecting retest, still price is coming down. So am I going to see, am I going to hit this level, or at least this level, and then we're looking a long trade here? Or if the price gonna respect this support, and if we find any good pattern here, a reversal pattern, then we're gonna say the pullback. So that's what exactly we're looking in tomorrow. We'll let you know, because intraday we analyze market here, as you can see here, in pound, in dollar CAD. You can see here price develop another downside channel pattern. So we're looking this way. If the price gonna break and retest, give us the confirmation, then it's probably gonna be taking a short. Otherwise, any pullback at this level, as long as the momentum is bearish, you can see how many pullbacks we had at beautiful short trade. So we're looking this breakout. We'll let you know tomorrow. All right, so technically if you look at here, 132 pips, all these pips are 100% based on the analysis Mainly, you can see here in pound dollar and pound Swiss franc, we were short. Let me share with you the pound Swiss franc trade in 4 hour. Why we were short here? As soon as the price hit this level, almost this level, and that's what we explained to trader, keep taking short trades here as soon as the price. So we have taken a lot of trades. You can see a beautiful, all of them is short trade here. As soon as the price come here, we take a short trade here. So most of the analysis you can see here even now, beautiful. You can see this morning when the price hit up and afterwards this breakout, this was the morning trade. You can see a long trade, price developer pullback, beautiful, and afterwards short trade here. So beautiful pips, mainly pound dollar, and you can see a pound dollar and the pound Swiss franc. So 132 pips based on the intraday analysis. Right, so if you look at all of them, if you look at the Kiwi dollar, we had a beautiful, this was the counter long trade, but before that we also had a beautiful short trade this morning. You can see here that was a pretty straightforward breakout short trade, bank beautiful pips. And if you look at all of them, if we had a beautiful trade on dollar Swiss franc this morning, you can see here 742 with this based on the momentum, beautiful, because the Euro USD was down, so we're taking this one, beautiful long trade on dollar Swiss franc, beautiful trade. And pound yen, we had a beautiful trade. You can see here this was the pretty straightforward triangle pattern breakout, beautiful short trade. So you can see all these beautiful 31 analysis, and most of them you can see here banking some pips. All right guys, so I hope you enjoy all this analysis detail, and if you would like to see all that analysis in real time, even if you don't have forex trading experience, we also provide full forex coaching and training. As I said to you, objective is to provide coaching and training with the live market through these analysis and trade updates, where a trader can see and they can develop their trading skill in real-time environment. And even if you are struggling, I'm pretty sure you can develop your trading skill very effectively through this platform. Or even if you are an experienced trader, I'm pretty sure this is all price action intraday, and you understand it, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to bank all that pips every single day alongside with our professional traders. All right guys, and if you're interested, feel free to join my fast growing trader community. If you need any help in trading, feel free to book a free one-to-one consultation, and my availability calendar link is also given in the video description, and most welcome if you need any help. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video, and have a nice evening, stay blessed, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.